Hudson already ate breakfast. The sun is over there. It looks really, really beautiful out here this morning. And I have a horrible headache. I just feel awful this morning. So I'm drinking some water, but oh, my head is killing me. We're just gonna go walk down this road a little bit. My head really does not feel good. This is the snow I thought he would lay in yesterday. Yeah, now you found it today, huh? Excuse me. Hi. Is it nice snow? Yeah. All right, come on. Let's keep going. Go get Johnny. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go ahead. Call him, John. Johnny. Call Hudson. He made it to him. What a good boy. Good boy, Hutz. Now he's waiting for me down at the fence. You see him there? He's waiting for me to catch up. I was being too slow, so he's moved a little bit closer to me. A little bit closer. What do you got? You got a ball? Bring it over. Come on. Show me what you got in your mouth. Oh, you brought a ball back. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Nice. Good job, buddy. The Rocky Mountains. You believe we got to camp up here for free, bud? You're like, well, my life is pretty much free because you pay for it, Mom. I know, Hutz. It's good to be you. We got our backpacks on. I got my hiking shoes on, so it's gonna be an actual walk. A leisurely actual walk. We're probably not gonna go that far, but like, I said probably.
I just don't want to walk past.
Okay. We're leisurely walking. My headache is pretty much completely gone, so I'm feeling pretty good. How you feeling? Okay. He never had a headache though, so. This is the path we're gonna go up. Our cars are over there. It is 9:22 when we're starting this hike, so we'll see how long we hike. Ooh, it is very muddy. What? Full of what? Water? Oh. It's so slippery. We've also seen a ton of like their pellets are all wet. Sand! You love the snow. We got some nice snow melt flowing down here. We're hiking in shorts in the snow. I mean, it's only a little snow, but it's pretty fun. We're gonna attempt to cross this little patch of water. Hudson, please don't get yourself soaked.
Oh, I forgot about him.
Hudson. Hey, come here. Come here. Follow me this way. Come here. Oh, you okay? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. There's a good boy. All right, come on. Come here. Follow me this way. Here. You okay? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. There's a good boy. All right, come on. So there's this cool little camp spot back here. So I don't know if we showed you, I think we did, like the gate at the beginning of this is closed. So you can like walk up here and hike, but maybe a little bit later in the season, people can camp up here, because check this out. This looks like a legit spot. And I've seen actually quite a few of them already. We haven't been hiking that long. So that's pretty neat.
Ma'am, stop. Stop. Hey. You must pay the toll.
Go Hudson, run! Okay, well, he kind of got by. Can you just lift the gate, please? Thank you. Did you pay the toll?
I am the toll keeper. I don't need to pay the toll. Oh, hold on. You walked at the worst possible angle. What's it smell like?
Pine. Smells like the forest. It does smell good. It smells like a Christmas tree.
This walk isn't bad.
So far. I mean,
It's
we're gonna have to go back down, so that's not the hard part, really.
we went sort of level. We're not going too up or down.
I mean, from the beginning, I thought it was gonna be steeper.
Yeah. Well, I knew we were already pretty high up. I didn't know how much higher we could go. Ah, mud, 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 mud.
There's mountains around us, so definitely higher.
Well, I meant like we don't have an immediate mountain. Like, okay.
Nice catch.
Good one, Huts. Good one.
He like swallowed it. Johnny has put arrows in so that we know how to get back.
I put one in the snow as well. Dried after removed.
It is beautiful out here. It literally looks kind of fake on camera. Hudson, move. Whoa. Come on, Hudson. Let's keep going.
Ugh. Hello, tripod. How are you folks doing? Good? That's good. It's gross. It's a very muddy walk. It's slippery because you're either on mud or ice.
We're not going fast, but we're having fun.
Are you having fun? Yeah.
You guys see these tracks? This is my foot. Like, those are pretty solid sized tracks. There's like a elk or a moose out here for sure.
I'm hoping elk.
Yeah, I would rather have elk too.
It's breaking. Howdy.
All right, Alright, so I just opened up All Trails and just hit navigate, start without a route, because we're about to turn around, so I want to see how far we walked. So if we just double the distance when we get back to camp, that will be how far this hike was.
Nice. 9.36 miles.
We're definitely not that far.
They don't need to know that. Photo shoot. What the fuck? Almost dying back here. I slipped with one foot and I went to plant with the other, and then that one slipped as well, right as I managed to regain traction with the first one.
Now we are officially back. Boom. We're getting some work done, and Hudson is chilling down there. We got the door propped open. The mountain's out the window back there.
Freaking him out.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to freak you out. You just sleep. Go back to sleep. But yeah, we're trying to do some editing here today. Go get your ball. We're cooking up some pasta. Actually, Johnny's cooking it, but I just filled the water for him.
We're making our classic pasta.
Pasta, sausage, red sauce, cream cheese. Cheese. So, Johnny's gonna do that in here, which is good because it is freaking howling outside with wind.
Yeah, we've made enough. We're probably not gonna film a detailed process.
But
mostly just the before
this,
and after.
yeah, this is what it is before. Penne, breakfast sausage, or some type of sausage, cream cheese.
Pepper jack cheese, red sauce.
Alright, so we'll show you the end result. Apparently the pasta is done. The pasta is done. I admit it's not the most beautiful, but it tastes good. Hudson's like, yes, finally, I want a bite.
Not that hot. Damn it.
It's pretty good. It's not too hot though. You combine any type of meat, cheese, and noodle, it's usually good. And this is no exception. We're going outside? Mm-hmm. Okay. We're gonna go eat outside. Go ahead. I'm coming. There you go. We made it to the top. I'm sitting on this rock. We walked down there yesterday.
Nothing.
Got any reception?
No.
Oh, so this was super worth it?
Nope. Not worth it.
Johnny did get connection to change his YouTube back, and he just threw on a hoodie because it's freaking windy and cold. We're gonna hike back down. John went back down to the camper in the cars because he was cold up here, but I'm trying to download a book off of Audible, so I'm just hanging out, taking in the view, and trying to use the slight connection that we have up here to download a book. So Huds decided to stay with me because he's a mama's boy. Can you blame the guy? John just pulled out his little, I don't know, air gauge, pressure gauge.
37.4. They haven't lost any.
I think it was 37.7, but that's like negligible. That's good. Seems to be holding air. Hudson's eating his dinner. He was starving. That's what he told me. And Johnny wasn't feeding him. He had to wait for me to get back.
I didn't know I was supposed to feed.
Yeah, you're not supposed to. Keep feeding him. That's your job. I was just with you. Hudson's got light chasing crack addict energy going, so we're taking him for a walk. John said the walk earlier was good for him, but he's coming on this one too.
It was sufficient earlier for me.
But not for this one. He slept, napped the afternoon away, had dinner, and now he's like, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. We're going on the same little trail we did earlier, but I've got Crocs on this time, so we're not going as far.
We didn't bring water.
We didn't bring water. We're just going on a little stroll for this guy. Hopefully dispel some of his energy. We came to a kind of view of the mountains on this trail, unlike earlier. We went the opposite direction we did earlier. And this side has been a lot more up, but we kind of got a sneak peek through the trees and in front of us of the actual mountains. So that's fun. John's on the phone with our mom. We have service right here. Wyoming is pretty fun though. It's been a beautiful state, so beautiful.
Oh, they are out. They're just sitting outside. Jess rode hers today to get a shot. So I'm hearing water, probably like you are, so I'm seeing what I can see over here. How'd it stay? Ooh. There is a pretty good stream. All right, go back. All right, well, we found a stream. It's probably just a winter one, but who knows?
Since Johnny came and checked out the stream, I gotta come see it for myself. Oh, it's flowing pretty good. Huts, no. All right, back to the trail. Go on.
Somebody's taking a snow bath up. Oh.
I knew it.
Yeah, I knew it too.
You start
Well,
talking to him and he just wants to come over.
He was taking a snow bath?
Yeah. All right, keep going. Whoa.
Got it. That's why I don't wear Crocs mountain climbing. I guess we're not mountain hiking. Ah! I wasn't slipping. The ground was just breaking underneath me.
Oh, okay.
The ground moved, okay?
You just never know. Ah! You just never know what you're gonna find out here. Earlier I found a battery and a piece of like reflective gear off a bike. Now I found a shoe.
Ice dam or something must have broke. This was not flowing nearly like this morning, or even when we walked by a bit ago. Yeah. Interesting. Well, good thing we walked there this morning. Oh my gosh, can you imagine if that was going when we came back?
Well, we would have just got wet.
Yeah, I know. It would have sucked. Of course we would have just got wet, but it would have like...
It would have sucked, but we would have done it.
I can see you.
Yes!
What are you looking at, Huts? All right, Huts, let's go. We're almost back to camp. They're everywhere. There she is down there.
The Wander Wagon.
Wander wagon. Wagon of wander. Hey, turkey, where are you at? This is where the turkey was standing last night. Just watching us. I wonder if we'll see anything out today. I doubt it, because that doesn't seem to be our luck. Hudson, you look very gross.
Don't dry off. Come here, Bubba. You gotta brush your teeth. Sit. Top ones are easier. Good. Good job. Good job.
No snack.
Didn't want to fully commit to getting off to get the drink.
What's up, buddy? You're not tired anymore? He scared the crap out of me. I went to go over to the bathroom, and when I came back, I was expecting him to still be sleeping, and opened up the door, and he was just standing there, which made me scream.
He's looking at us. That's a big boy. He's just grazing, walking through. He kind of looks like a young moose.
Well, I think they're just getting their antlers on now.
Yeah. He's over by your half now. This is crazy. Now we definitely know there's a moose up here. It's a little bit scary, but very cool. What do you think? You're just tired, I know. We're just laying here still watching the moose out the window. He's like along the tree line now, just munching on some grass and stuff, but super cool. I didn't think we were actually going to see anything up here, but Johnny is outside attempting to get a better picture and video of the moose, which is right there. You can see Johnny's not like super close to him, but Johnny is there, the moose is up there, and Hudson and I are in here.
He's still out here.